Good day, Grade 2. Welcome to our discussion for Music 2, the ordering numbers. Ordering numbers is arranging numbers from small to big or big to small. We call this the ascending or increasing order and descending or decreasing order. So let's talk about the ascending or increasing order. This is also known as arranging number from least to greatest. Example, we have here the hearts. From, as you can see, we arrange the heart from small to big. So this is the arrangement of the increasing order or the least to greatest. Next is the descending or decreasing order, or also known as arranging numbers from greatest to least. Here is the example or the illustration on how we arranged in ascending or decreasing order. We have here the hearts. As you can see, we start with the big heart and then to small. That is how we arrange in decreasing or descending order. So let's try to arrange number from increasing order. First set of numbers we have here 35, 91, 63, and 23. For us to arrange number, we can compare each number just like what we did last lesson. We compare numbers, right? In comparing, we should start to the bigger place value. In this, we have here a two-digit number. So the value or the biggest place value in here is the tens. Okay, in here we have the tens. In tens, we have number 3, 9, 6, and 2. They are not the same, so we can compare it. There is an instances that the number in tens is all the same. If that happened, we proceed to the next place value, which is ones in here. Then we will look at the number in ones. If they are the same or if they are not the same, we can compare it. Okay, in here, they are not the same, so we can start to compare. So when we say increasing, we start to find the smallest number. So we have here 3, 9, 6, and 2. The smallest number in the 4 is 2. So we are going to write not only 2, but also the 3. So we'll write 23. So let's put X. So the numbers left in the group is the 35, 91, and 63. So the number in tens in there is 3. So we are going to write the 35. Okay, next, look at the two numbers left. We have their 91 and 63. So we have their 9 and 6. 9 is bigger than 6. So we are going to put 6 first because we need the smaller one. 6, so we are going to write 63. And the last one, we are going to write 91. So that is how we arrange numbers, or we arrange 35, 91, 63, 23 in its increasing order. Another one, we have here 14, 18, 19, and 13. Look at the numbers in the tens. We have there 1. They are all the same. Like what we says, if they are all the same, we proceed to the next place value, which is ones. In ones, we have number 4, 8, 9, and 3. They are not the same, so we can start to compare numbers. So remember, in increasing order, we arrange it from smallest to biggest. So we have to find the smallest number. In here, we have 4, 8, 9, 3. The smallest among these 4 is number 3. So we will write 1 and 3, which is 13. Next, we have there 4, 8, 9. The smallest among the 3 is number 4. So we are going to write number 4 at the bottom. Okay. And and next one, we have 18 and 19. So 18 and 19, we have their 8 and 9. The smallest number among the two is number 8. So we will write 18. And the last one, we will write 19. So 13, 14, 18, 19 is the correct order of 14, 18, 19, 13 in increasing order. Next one, we have here the 3-digit numbers. We have 144, 318, 219, and 613. Just like the 2-digit number, we have to look at the highest place value. In here, we have 3 digits, so we use 3 place value, the hundred, tens, and ones. And the biggest place value in there is the hundred. So look at the number in hundreds. We have there 1, 3, 2, 6. We have to arrange this from increasing order. So they are not the same. So we can start in arranging. So look at the numbers. Which among the four is the smallest? Of course, the 1. So we are going to write first the 1, not only the 1 but also the number 44. So we are going to write 144. So next, we have the 318, 219, 613. So 3, 2, 6. Which among the three is the smallest? We have the number 2. Very good. So next, we will write the 219. So we have the 318 and 613. We have 3 and 6. Which among is the smallest? The smallest is number 3. Very good. So we will write 318. And the last one, we write 613. So that is how we write 144, 318, 219, and 613 in increasing order. We have 144, 219, 318, and 613. So next one, we have here 444, 416, 438, and 429. So let's look in the numbers in the hundreds. So we have the 4, 4, 4, 4. They are all the same. So it means we move to the next place value, which is 10 in tens. So the numbers in tens are the 4, 1, 3, 2. So they are not the same. So we can start to compare it. So we have therefore 1, 6, 3, 2. As we said, we have to arrange this from increasing order. So we start to the smallest one. Which among the four number is the smallest number? We have the 1. Very good. So we are going to write 416 first. Not only 1, but we also have to write the 4 and 6. So next one, we have the 444, 438, and 429. So which among the 3 is the smallest? The 4, the 3, or the 2? The number 2. So we are going to write 429. Next, we have the 444 and 438, the 4 and 3. So 3 is smaller than 4. So we are going to write first the 438. Very good. And now we will write 444. So that is how we arrange 444, 416, 438, and 429 in increasing order. We have there 416 or 416, 429, 438, and 444. Okay, now that we know how to arrange number in increasing order, let's try to arrange number in decreasing order. When we say decreasing order, we start from big to small. Okay, first example. Okay, we have first example, we have here 17, 54, 81, and 65. These are all two-digit numbers, so it means the biggest place value in here is the tens. So as we look at the number in tens, we have 1, 5, 8, and 6. So they are not the same. So we can start to compare. So let's compare or arrange this in decreasing order. Which among the four is the biggest number? Is it 1, 5, 8, or 6? So the biggest among the four is number 8. Very good. So we are going to write 81 first. Next one. We have the 65, 54, and 17. So which among the three is the biggest number? We have the 65. Very good. So next, we have the 17 and 54. We have 1 and 5. Which is bigger, 1 or 5? Very good, the 5. So we are going to write number 5 or the 54. And the last one is the 17. So that is how we arrange 17, 54, 81, and 65 in decreasing order. We write first the 81, next is 65, next is 54, and the last one is 17. Okay, next example. We have here another two-digit number. We have 35, 30, 33, and 37. So as we look at the tens, we have 3, 3, 3. They are all the same. So we move to the next place value, which is the ones. In ones, we have 5, 0, 3, 7. So they are not the same. So we can start to compare it. So which among the four is the biggest number? Is it 5, 0, 3, or 7? Okay, the biggest among the four is number 7. So we are going to write first this 37. Next, we have the 35, 30, and 33. 3, 0, and 5. Which among the three is the biggest? The number 5. Very good. So we write 35. Another one, we have the 30 and 33. Which number is biggest among the two? The 3 or the 0? Okay, very good. The 3. So we write 33. So the last one is the 30. Very good. So this is how we write 35, 30, 33, and 37 in decreasing order. We have here 37, 35, 33, and 30. Another example, we have here a three-digit numbers. We have 385, 840, 623, and 207. Okay, in the hundreds, we have their number 3, 8, 6, and 2. They are not all the same, so we can start to arrange it. So which among the four numbers are the biggest? So we have their number 8. Very good. So let's write 8 first, 840. Next one is the number, is it 6, 2, or 3? Very good. It is 6. So we write 623. Another one, which among the two in 3 and 2? Is it 3 or 2? Very good. 3 is bigger than 2. So we write 385. And the last one, we write 207. So we have here in decreasing order, we have 840. We have here 840, 623, 385, and 207. Another example. We have here 463, 439, 401, and 411. So let's look at the numbers in hundreds. We have the 444. They are the same. So let's move on in tens. We have the 6301. So which among the four number is the biggest number? Is it 6, 3, 0, or 1? Very good. It is 6. So we write first the 463. Next, which among the three is the biggest number? Is it 3, 0, or 1? It's 3. Very good. So, we write 439. So, another one, we have there 401 and 411. We have 0 and 1. Which among the two is bigger? Is it 0 or 1? Very good. So, we write 411. And last, we write 401. So, we have here the decreasing order, 463, 439, 411, and 401. Okay, next example. We have here 753, 752, 757, and 759. Okay, let's look in the place value of hundreds. The number in there is 7777. They are all the same. So let's move on in tens. Okay, we have there 5, 5, 5, 5. They are still the same. So let's move on to the last place value, which is the ones. We have 3, 2, 7, 9. So they are not the same. So we can start to compare it. So which among the four number is the biggest? Is it 3, 2, 7, or 9? It is number 9. Very good. So we write first the 759. So which number is the next? Which among the three is the biggest? Is it 7, 2, or 3? Very good. It is 7. So we write next the 757. Very good. And which among the two, we have the 3 and 2, is the biggest? Number 3. Very good. So we write next the 753. And the last one, we have the 752. So that is how we write, or we arrange the numbers from decreasing order. We have there 759, 757, 753, and 752. Remember, in arranging numbers, or in ordering numbers, we need to compare each numbers. Okay? That is the end of our lesson. Thank you for watching and listening. Till next time. Bye.